sensitive skin. Food. Yeah. Oh my God. She doesn't have any carpet to rub on anymore. She's gonna go till she's exhausted. Oh, I think she's getting tired.
She's flopping like a fish.
Quit. You are not the boss. Stop it. She looks like she's about to die or like she's been hit by a car. No, she's just itchy. Yeah, don't interrupt, son. Oh, you need to pull your britches, girl. Seriously. I think she needs help, Mama. She's been dead it for too long.
She's flopping across the floor now. Ta-da! She's like, oh, wait. I still missed a spot. Oh, I'm too tired to sit up. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, my God. You think she got into something?
She must have. Get some poison ivy. That's what you get for getting out of the yard.
It wouldn't be so funny if it would have been on carpet.
Look, I don't have nothing to scratch on over here.
I think it's even funnier because the hair's cut. You can actually see. Oh, she's done.
Well, there she goes again.
Help her, Mom.
What do you do to her?
Scratch her or something. Put her on a blanket. She can get some traction.
Scratch her with that broom. I don't want to touch her. What if she's got poison ivy all over her? She's like, oh. Oh.
Quit, Leland. Well, don't push real hard. Oh, is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah, scratch her with the broom so we can spread it all over the house. Instead of getting it on her hands.
Let me try.
No.
No.
Dude,
Try.
come here, dude. You're being weird.
She's like, I can't walk. An itch is too bad.